In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page on Shopify. We are going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your Shopify admin without getting lost. First, open Shopify and go to your main dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the section that manages your website content. In most admin views, you will see a menu on the left side where you can navigate to online assets and store settings. The key place we are heading to is where Shopify organizes the pages that make up your storefront. This is where your new landing page will live. Next, click Online Store and then choose Pages. When you click into Pages, Shopify shows you a list of existing pages, such as About, Contact, or other custom pages you have created in the past. Take a moment to scan the page list area so you know where new pages appear. You are not changing anything yet. You are just making sure you are in the correct screen, because the next actions depend on being in the Pages area. Now that you are on the Pages screen, click Add Page. This is the button that starts the creation flow for a new page. After you click it, you will usually see a form or editing panel where you can set the page name and choose what type of template the page should use. This step matters because a landing page can look and behave differently depending on which template you select. The next thing to do is to name your page. Type a clear name into the page name field. This name is what helps you identify the page within your Shopify admin. For example, you might use a straightforward label that matches what the landing page is for. It is a good idea to keep the name consistent so you can find it easily later, especially if you plan to create multiple landing pages. After you enter the page name, you need to set the theme template. Find the setting that says Theme Template or something very similar, and then select Default Page or a custom landing page template if you have one available. The reason this matters is that the template controls the layout and how sections are arranged for your page. If you are just getting started, choosing Default Page is usually the simplest option. If your theme already includes a custom landing page template, selecting it can help you get a more tailored layout right away. Once the name and template are set, you will then click Save. This step finalizes the creation of the page in your Shopify store. After saving, Shopify will generate the new page entry and make it available for you to edit further, such as adding text, images, or buttons, depending on what you want your landing page to do. To wrap up, after you click Save, take a quick look back at the pages list. Confirm that your newly created page now appears in the list with the name you selected. This quick check helps ensure everything was saved correctly before you move on to any design or content work. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create a landing page on Shopify by opening the Pages section, adding a page, naming it, choosing the appropriate template, and saving it.